20,000 naira.
For what? I keep it.
So you don't know the gravity of the offense you committed?
What did I do? Huh? What did I do? Two fighting.
So fighting and assaulting a police officer is what you describe as two fighting?
That one officer. Huh?
Well, just told you because I want you to be aware that I'm deducting to sum of 20,000 naira from your salary. I said I am deducting the 20,000 naira I spent in paying you from your salary, and I don't like the downturn in my business as a result of your stubbornness. Do you know that for 3 good days that boss has been impounded?
You just say, talk as if say, it's my fault. Not my fault. The man said, make I give him paper. I give him paper. He said, make I give him driving license. I give him driving license. He can't give him somebody that finds something for him. And you don't say that they fight and they brand Nigeria. I don't think give anybody that kind of money. It's not possible.
So you must fight to prove a point, to prove that rebranding Nigeria.
If it amount me to fight, to achieve what I want to achieve, I go fight. I go fight. Boss, sir? Carry me go out. My change.
Waiting they happen for we country. Me I know like I go do my own. Make I rebrand upon everything where I dey do. You get that TV?
Clean up and come and take the boss out for business, okay? And remember, I have lost 3 good days on the account of your stubbornness, so you better be fast.
I beg you go help me talk to your brother, your nephew, Onyanto. And to even be because of you, I don't drive since.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Just greet your mother for me, okay?
Waiting they happen for we country. Me I know like I go do my own. Make I rebrand upon everything where I dey do. You get that TV? I try to dey patch am. It's still the legal.
Mommy.
Hey, Chimo, what did they do to you?
Do to you?
Why did they mess you up like this?
Oh my God! If they ask what happened to them, not me. Give me where did the man go put off my bag?
They are not yet back from school. They are not yet back from school.
Oh, yeah. I better go put off my bag for bag.
Who? Me?
What do you mean? Who am me? You don't be first person who go put water for me.
You are asking me to put water for you. Wabunkonye. To put water for you. You.
What is that? How much you get?
Peter.
No, wait. Mama, wait. What did you say? You called me a witch.
Bigger witch. Let me go and put the water.
No, Mama, wait. Mama, did you hear him? Mama, did you hear him? Did you hear him, Mama? It's like you don't know I'm your uncle's wife, not your housemaid.
That person who is the remote control. Now you call husband.
Okay, Mama. Did you hear this, your useless son? Calling my husband a remote control.
But Akira, not even China made, not even all this motor set.
Mama, why are you? Who are
for my sake?
And to have some vida, if I'm I move you. Akara.
For my Mama.
It's okay.
Mama.
Just of me.
I got 1,000.
Get inside. No. Mama, did you hear him? Hey, I don't suffer.
Because of my sake.
I'm going to be your time.
5:03.
Hey!
While the minister also condemned actions such as throwing deaths on the street from phones or from the car.
You hear them?
What?
He said, may they not throw something come from inside motor. May they not drive outside.
So I should put it inside my bag.
If you like, put them inside your pants, they concern me.
Oh, driver, una supposed get waves bin for this bus now.
Who be this aunt? What did they worry you?
Now you get your mouth.
Just to be like angel will come up for. I better not. No, you say you hear what I talk. Huh?
See, I tell her the man I want to change you. I don't want wahala.
I want to change.
Where's 40? All your change. I be like said I get the go. 40 naira, all your change. All your change. I don't want to see Chacha. Now she they call that thing for that side.
I just be that.
Now she.
I can't tell you that.
Tell me you drop me at home so I can discharge the bike.
Leave no money go pay am. How come they come back today? Again, not be tomorrow and they start the exam.
They say I can't write the exam unless I pay the fees.
Which fee? Again?
My practice fee is 5,000 naira.
Man, I'm practice. Which practice?
My practice fee. They use it to settle invigilators and missionaries that will come to the hall and help us.
I don't understand. Na Expo?
Something like that.
You dey pay for Expo? Huh? You dey pay for Expo? Hi! You know say that in a corruption? Expo. That time anybody where they catch, government go jail them.
Ishmael, if you don't want to give her money now, you tell them. Sit there where the way see her since. Whether they save money where you go give her big girl, I don't know.
Who be a big girl?
Nah, in great grandmother. I mind it there.
You sure?
See, this is what they tell you. Now my practice. Don't you ever pay it. Anybody when they pay for Expo, they promote corruption for this country. If you they go pay for Expo, the people when senior me and you, they don't take exam before now. Who they settle? Because when they work for government, they work for when month end they go pay you.
Ishmael, are you not tired of me writing this exam every year? Let me just write it once and for all and let me pay it.
Now make chop yourself. Which fee will I never pay for you to take exam? How they make things make it very difficult for us? You go tell them say me and say you no go pay that thing. Anybody when pay them, the whole Nigeria go hear them.
But everybody's paying it now.
Who be everybody?
Everybody. Overall, everybody.
You know you hear about a brand in Nigeria? The new face of Nigeria. The face of tomorrow. See road where me and you they follow pass.
It concern road now.
You see it? Now, for that road, bush, make a my phone. Oko, light. You go there here, you go there here. You go see wire. Light no go there. No, we no go talk about water. Because people don't even vex. Say government no go water again. Go they do well. Even some wells say where you go carry water go bath. If you bath finish, be 5 minutes wait till bath finish. The water will turn to powder for your face.
Now you go kill mad people for Nigeria. Nigeria now your papa get them. People were supposed to talk about Nigeria never talk. Now you there they talk about Nigeria. See passengers where will decide the other side. In the evening now my uncle go ask source of money. I better go work now.
Shut up. Akada, go. I'll go drop him.
Never go wait for me.
Come, what do you wear?
It's what is in vogue now. It's not what you saw before you started chasing me. Don't you like it? You don't like it?
I want mom. Come on. Don't come here, come complain for me so anybody make anybody not go near my things. So.
What will be your thing? If not they give me this money, I go to person who won't give me the money.
So in the market you they do?
Whatever.
Who give this money they wear?
If they give me, I know they give me. I don't they go. I they go. I they go, time no day.
See what did they miss? Israel, see what did they miss?
Come.
If they give me, I know they give me.
Wait.
If you don't want to give her, tell her now.
Where the money?
Kabiam.
Hi. I bet they go. The branding man. Come on, I don't know.
See how money where you forgive and since. They talk Nigeria. Ministers they sleep. Here they talk Nigeria. You be minister? About that time could go work. See passengers when we offload for road there. Even though my brother go there, my uncle go there ask us where money.
That thing where you talk for that guy first. Go to call a bigger name. You the crazy?
You like a bigger pastor and I make her as a bigger.
Now you go talk for your face.
Now for her back what talk about man deal. No talk for her. Scatter. If you see scatter, you go talk. You wear scatter passengers. When my uncle go take chop, feeding children. You never talk.
I go drive off leave you.
I better start this one. Come on. Sit down. We there. Solo. What?
They say where would they go?
This one they carry us up and down. Which one are they safe? Me na Benin me they go. This one I can reach your watch now. Enter motor when they go outside when they go Benin.
We go drop you now. Why they talk like this?
When they go for 40 naira, 40 naira.
I'll speak for your face. Look at that idiot. That idiot go throw away the thing for
Driver, they make noise. They make noise.
You know something throw away, I go follow him. Anywhere they go, man, they go.
Okay, not too much for you for this photo.
You don't follow the person when they say, you know, the thing when they do not concern you. But you throw away something, it concern you.
I don't know where they carry us, they go. The place where they go far.
No, what happened?
The place where they go far. But when I just know where they carry me, which kind of this one? I just look up and down this morning.
You know where they go?
If I miss this one, they fine. If I mix them, I'm not going to pay me the thing. I'm not going to pay me down.
When I enter motor like this, they be on a like say, driver and conductor will come from bush.
You go to where bottle can for outside for road that side.
Excuse me.
You know they hear me? Are you an idiot? I said now you throw away bottle for main road that side.
I'm sorry, I have somewhere important for me to go.
Eh? You when they give news for radio and TV, say me they will blame Nigeria. Now you go to where bottle for outside. You go follow me go pick them.
There are people that our government are paying. They are paying them to sweep and clean the city. When they come, they have to pick it.
They'll pick it.
Yes.
Your brothers and sisters. You when they be broadcaster, when they read news for radio and TV, you don't go carry something go to where and you say me that they ban Nigeria. What is your contribution? Huh?
I'm sorry, I have somewhere going.
I will slap you. I will slap you here.
Stop embarrassing me, this man.
Stop waiting.
Israel, make we go walk now. Leave this.
Okay. You will follow me, go there, go pick up.
Now fight in the fight. Make we go walk now.
You don't spoil law,
What do you know about law? Do you want to know about law? Huh? Okay, wait.
You dey call police because I want this one matter.
Hello? Is that the commissioner?
Bros, I beg now, I go like this since night. You don't get conscience. Make you messy for me now. I beg. Thank God beg you. You say my papa come here.
Enter here, stupid man. Idiot. Now I don't see you there. Beg people come. Oboro, come here.
You dey go
front here.
You dey go boy.
I dey ask for the guy. Ask this man come here.
They say you come here and talk to you. Do this thing. Do this.
When you go know game also.
Who think that will come here? Where your social first? What you bring come? Okay, you go drop your money for counter. Carry empty and enter here. I go show you shake today. Where your face show?
Wait.
Come on! I thought you was
Sit down.
Sit for now.
Sit down.
What do you mean you enter sir?
So, shut up and talk. Now, how do you like this Nigeria?
I will ask you question, you talk of the Bible. If you know answer me well, if you don't know God before, I will give you 608, you know that for here, nah. What do you can you answer? I ask you to talk yourself.
Where did the Bible? Why they tell you?
Guy, you go return for here, nah. You go return to for here. We don't talk of the Bible in Nigeria, we don't answer confess.
This is becoming too much for Christ's sake. 2 detentions in 1 week. 5 good detentions within 1 month of working with me. No. I'm sick and tired about this. Look, Ishmael, you better sit up or you leave. Have you heard me?
Okay, yeah, I'm not deaf.
Good. Now go to work. I said you should go to work. See, not the matter of going to work. Oh. I want make you warn Ishmael well. Make you put hand for him ear, make you warn her. See, every day when we go work, you know say I dey stand and make they sit down. I go dey shout bash. When I not passenger finish, this Ishmael go discharge all of them in the name of rebranding. One more.
Shut up, my friend.
You dey craze.
I said rebrand your mouth. Shut up.
You see, now this rebranding and dey cause problem. You see, now both of you should keep quiet. I said you should keep quiet.
Oh, Gabby, I tell you something. I beg. I don't want this boy again for that much. I don't like him. Give me another person. See, as the person they help him, mama. If you give me this boy, mama, I will work with him well past this idiot.
What's wrong with you? I said you should keep quiet. You kept on talking. Don't you know that it was because of your mother that I keep tolerating your excesses? You see, it's as if they help me now, so they help you. Uncle, see, as I be out to drive now, Asa, make you give me another bus, make I carry him, Papa, they go walk. If you dey run up and down, me I go dey rush. Keep quiet, bash.
Okay, so now mother you face. A mama and my mama.
Will you shut up? What's wrong with you? Now go to work.
You want to go work?
I don't tell you. You keep quiet. When I was telling you to go to school, you were busy jumping from one farm to the other, catching people's fowl, eating them. Common entrance examination, you couldn't pass. So I'm gonna need to talk like this. You never seen me where I write before?
Where?
This man. No, you know maybe they write my name for cotton.
Shut up, I'm rubber.
Money one with the get for box, not even the counter.
Shut up. The thief foul.
I said you should go to work.
No, they come out.
Look at these fools.
I go do my own. Make I rebrand upon everything I do.
Because my brother place. And I tell you. You don't talk that rubbish for your brother there. One day, you know me.
Who be you?
Huh?
Hey, who be you? Not the driver where you be. I be conductor for my own motor.
I feel slap you. I feel very slap you. I tell you. I feel doing something.
You feel doing me something? That's why we think they call yourself safe. Sometimes they talk like person where blood need to reach in eye. You go do me something. When you go to do me the thing, they go tie my hand for back.
I don't know the answer on you to not concern me. If I do something, you not go believe them. I tell you, don't joke with me.
This may go out of who they call on them to. Now me. Because I dey lawyer, I say my uncle give us motor, they follow you. Go for Ayoye, ask of me, Onyanto. If I act, you no go like me again.
Who they talk?
We dey three, I no be only me and you. Why they behave as if say this word now you get up? What you go do me sef?
The verse when they for my body too many. If I vex touch you, If I vex touch you,
This man, you never reach like this. The yam is so. I know how they could have because this is my uncle motor. If I go okay, become driver, become conductor at the time now. No one make a promotion. But that's the difference. If my your brother get at, carry and go kill people, carry and go make trouble here and there. We go let passenger, you go flood them, Money when we supposed to carry come back, we not go carry come. Now your uncle get out. Make her die say na your uncle get the phone. I bet for one this money.
You know give bribe wahala. Waiting we go do cause to make it final. I don't know. If you talk lie, palava. If you talk true, wahala. Waiting we go do come to make it good. I don't know. If you know job.
Kejoya, go drop off the kitchen. Drop off the kitchen.
I should carry it and go kitchen. Take it to the kitchen now, or you keep it there. You can say I'm eating.
Yes. Madam.
Thank you.
So you just meat don't finish for soup? What do you this to?
What? Jobless man. You are not even happy that I gave you food to eat. You as well want the meat. There we are, come and take it.
Mama.
Go and rest now. After meal. What is your problem?
Mama, my problem is this thing you call my uncle's wife. Every minute you could behave so, like just somebody only.
Give me my nipple! Give me my nipple! You leave it to him! Give it to him! Did you see him? Give me my meat! Give it to her! Give me my meat! Mama, did you see him? Did you see that man? Hey! Give me! Did you just see that? Mama! Hey! What is this now?
I will continue begging.
Just leave me! Leave me! Wait till you know me, bro. You know? Be calm.
Mama, I must let your brother know. I will tell him. I will tell him, Mama. Please wait, just leave me. Well, honey. Yes, it's me. Please come back home. Come and take me away from your nephew, please. Before I'll be forced to leave my husband's home, please. Come and take me away. Ishmael will kill me or I will kill him. Yes. And what happened is... God. This credit. It's finished. What is this? These people are very useless people.
Nkechi.
Mama, I can't already. Nkechi,
please. You shouldn't have reported this to him.
Mama.
Yes.
Okay. I have done so, Mama. I have done so! What do you want me to do?
You know both of them don't understand each other well.
Mama,
that's the reason.
Okay, it's even better. When my husband comes back home, he will face that your useless son, man to man. That is better. Not woman to man, it's man to man.
Oh, yeah, come.
Yes, Mama.
Oh, Chineke. Wele mzuru ike n'ụna. Ọ dịghị ka m na-enu nwa biko. Ewa. Eme na-enu nwa biko onye. Chineke ooo.
Knock harder.
It's just end there.
Which one saying shine there? I said knock there. That lazy fool is inside there. Say shine there.
It's the way they talk like this on the corner.
Already.
You should come out now. You don't die.
Who be that chimpanzee when they knock? Oh yeah, Tona, you.
You should.
What did the one she put with there? Look at this idiot. I don't tell you man you blame your life. I don't tell you before. Even the way you dress. The way you talk to people, the way you knock for people's door. Everywhere when you go, they should say you be a mob.
Wait. Now because I go to call and make you go work, now they talk to me like this. Hey, look at me. Now they talk to me like this. I knock for a window, make you come out to make you go work. Now they tell people say they thief.
Because I advise you.
Make I tell you. It's all this church way they talk.
you don't dey enter here. You see this one where you dey enter. The day when you go see the thing where they live here, you see, you don't go fit carry am. I dey tell you.
You fit beat me.
Because I dey your house, you go do anything.
Anywhere you go fit beat me.
If you come out outside, you go fit talk to me like that.
Boom. Break am. Break am because I break am now.
No wahala.
Come on, go work, my friend.
Don't find your trouble. No wahala.
Lazy fool, go work. Look at the time. God is shame. Down for drivers.
Now your sister.
See by this
time.
Who
parked this vehicle?
I will be there.
Where do you go? It's less.
Now your sister.
God forbid. This will be my sister. I don't kill myself.
I can come marry him.
If I can come now, but before you come, we will print invitation for your burial because she go kill you.
My friend, Dago!
Panadiam. Ben.
Ishmael will go. And I get problem. Big one.
Panadiam.
If you go out of that place, close that gate too.
Come on there.
Upon everything where I do, you get as it be. I try to depatch am, it's still the legal. If you do good, palava. If you do bad, wahala. Wetin we go do country to make it good oh? I don't know. If you
come down.
For what?
Huh? You don't go.
Dead for what? Why should I go to the back?
Come down, somebody they won't let you enter motor.
Me, I'm not waiting for you, and I'm not even entering your car, so just go. You heard me. Ishmael, just go.
Let me go now.
You heard what I said. Have you finished with your rebranding man? Go ahead and rebrand. Don't even touch me, I don't even dare. Rebrander. Don't touch me, oh.
Ishmael, is this something that worry you for head? Person when no need deny the fine. You see, make my own girlfriend go back, your own make it enter. Person when no need you. The other day, last week, you decided the whole passenger when me and suffer get. Today, you want continue the thing again. See, one day, you don't go like what you go do for me.
Let's go.
This one a real rebranded love.
If not for a witch, now this guy for enter.
Enter boss.
Sit down here, yeah?
Yes, my love. Yes.
No shake, yeah?
Enter boss. Come on, tell you.
Come on, tell them about this.
Never beg you this boss. Sit down. What's my time? What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
What do you want to do? You want to fight? If this man will break this glass, you go buy him. You dey craze? That is as you do like that, your papa buy this boss.
I go do my own. Make I rebrand am. Upon everything where I do, you get as it be. I try to depatch am. It's still the legal. If you do good, palava. If you do bad, wahala. Wetin we go do country to make it good? I don't know. If you give bribe, palava. You no give bribe, wahala. Wetin we go do country to make it final?
Open your phone time. I don't want to do it now. Wait the back.
Wait myself for this.
Yeah. Come on there.
How you feel the time?
What's the one? One second before you go.
Not market right there, sir.
What? Okay. You know if you go line? You know if you go line?
Allow me to buy fuel. I'll just buy and I'll go. Then you buy.
So you follow?
What?
You follow? You're one of those people who spoil this country. Abi?
How?
Eh?
How do I spoil the country?
Why don't you go line? Come on line. For you to buy fuel before me, it's not possible.
There's no much queue now. Let me just buy fuel. I'm not taking time. I have like 30 liters, just about 20 more. Calm down. I'm a customer. They know me.
I'm a devil here. You don't go fit buy fuel before me. Go back.
Let
me tell you. If not you can't back, I will call you an idiot.
You're pointing at me? Well, let me just please don't stand on my fuel tank. Please, I'm begging you. Put fuel. It's like you want some trouble, actually. Do you want some trouble?
Who are you, sir?
Jamie.
Yeah.
Is Daddy still at the Commissioner of Police's house?
Oh yeah, he's still there.
All right then. Let me just put a thought across to him.
Let's go.
But this is our town. You don't want me to buy fuel, so you want to carry the country on your head.
Okay. Let's go.
Hey.
I won't
never
go.
speak for you.
Hello, Dad. For what? Dad, I'm actually on my way. Yes, but I stopped by to buy fuel, but one guy will not let me buy the fuel. I don't know what his problem is. Please, if you're still with the CP, let me speak to the CP directly. All right. Hello, CP, sir. Good evening, sir. This is AC Akpan's son, Desmond. So I'm actually on my way to come and pick my dad. Stop by to buy fuel, and I don't know one guy. He looks very armed. He's disturbing my life. Okay, the patrol team. Are they around? The patrol team? Okay, redirect them immediately. He's getting away.
No,
getting away. Where are you going?
We just play with you.
You don't want to buy the fuel again.
Come on, Dad, let him go.
You don't want to buy the fuel again. No, I can't. No, Jamie, no. The patrol team are coming here already.
We don't need anything.
No, but no, they are coming. No, where do you think you're going?
Obviously, find this. Shit. Wait. I pledged to Nigeria my country to be faithful, loyal, and honest, to defend this rebranding and uphold this beating. So help me God. Hey, come here. Where your station?
Upon this weight,
I say where your station? Where your station?
Let's move.
Guy, romance this man. I say romance will be better for baby man.
Okay, so how about it?
Come here first.
Okay, come here. How about this boy?
I will blind you. Come here.
Come here now, I talk to you.
President, where your station? No stand up. Who say make it stand? Let them tell you.
For all I care, if they like, let them kill him there. Where's my boss?
Hey. Chief, your boss dey filling station, but
call on them now to go and bring the boss for me.
Hey, Chief, make we first of all talk of how to release him. No, I'm not going.
Are you stupid?
He's still rebranding for me. The people he's rebranding for should better go and pay him.
You better wait for him here.
Make we better make him know that for sale.
Hello. Okay. Yes. I want you to come here right now. So that you will take the boss.
Chief, temper justice with mercy.
5 minutes time. Okay.
No matter say I no like what Ishmael they do, but him try.
Upon everything boy they do, you get as it be.
This is the height. I mean the turning point.
Ishmael will either learn how to live safely with my wife or pack out.
Obonne, where does he go from now?
I don't care. I don't care at all. What I know I will not tolerate is him engaging my wife to any form of fight. I will not tolerate that. I will not.
Daddy, he's making trouble here and there. He don't even care about anything in the house. He's Tona do this, Tona do that.
Tona Michion. Mechikenono. Obonne, asking Owabunkoni out equally means asking me out as well.
Mama, unless you want to follow him and park wherever he wants to park.
Daddy, did you know that Uncle beat me the other day because I came back before dismissal time, saying that I'm not joining in rebranding Nigeria?
Yo, why should you leave school before dismissal in the first place? Why?
Is that why you should batter him like this? Mama.
Hey, Okuto. Thank God.
Where is Owabunkoni?
Mama, now make her come home. You get where we dey buy fuel for filling station. In the afternoon, now we enter make we buy fuel. We there for line. You get one man, he carry your uncle take another jeep. The man no dey line. If from our front like this, take back. Sam, I say one buy fuel, now you smell, rush up, I rush. Mama, I couldn't take this man small eye. See say that man na him papa get police station. I couldn't tell this man, make you leave this man. Ismail said no. I tell this man, leave her. Ismail said no. Now Ismail no gree the man to buy fuel. Go, we fight. Now the man come put hand for him pocket, come bring out him phone. Smart at the phone calling. Mama, you don't need 2 minutes. Police will come there reach 10,000, 1,000. Mama, they fight right. They carry some come out to me from backyard. Wrong. And I don't go meet Oga. We get to motor. I will get say, you know, go bell and lie.
That sounds him right.
Chimo,
it sounds him right.
Adana, it's okay. He said no. He said no. Let us find out what did he do?
The information reaching us here on a daily basis is that he goes about in the street constituting nuisance, all in the name of rebranding.
Only? Who?
You, of course. The other day he insulted the son of one of the permanent secretary of the Ministry of Information. That's idiot.
Ishmael, won't you shut up your mouth? I will leave here.
So that boy, now somebody went for Minister of Information, do you see the person you're asking for? Yeah. Do you see the person you want me to bail? The minister has said the drum about the gambling. Shut up your mouth or I shut it for you. The director of Nigeria, all of us get them. I can die for this country. Solomon, anything. Immediately.
Ishmael, you will see the country you are looking for. Please, DP. Please, Tampa Justice will listen. Please.
Allow me to teach you some lesson. Sir, take this man, lock him up.
Okay, sir. Wait. No, wait, I don't want to.
What truth? Put him in the other dancer.
Yes, sir. No, guys, what will happen? Come, what is this?
What is this?
Say what you want to say. Oga, one no work keep because in Nigeria, anything where they do, not for all of us.
Solomon, take this man away.
Wait, sir, I don't want me. Wait,
not please, take this man away.
Okay.
So when did they release you?
So yeah.
Yes, I have.
No, you couldn't see me.
For what now?
Move for what? He hold me. Ishmael. And the lock. He not even touch you for body, say you can't see me or even talk to me.
Ishmael, what you can concern me now? Or no me do what make they lock you up? Or make I come carry your cross for you?
Chacha. Upon all this love I get for you.
Love of what? I thought you've branded your love for me.
No.
See, that expo fee that you refused to give me, someone else gave it to me. So I branded my love for him.
Don't tell me say you're serious for this way.
Does it look like I'm joking? Don't worry, he will soon come back. And when he comes back, you see us in action. Then you'll be convinced because I know that seeing is believing. No worry.
To God, I'm not saying you're not serious, but if you are serious, we go to the talk now, If I'm not wound that boy,
you go do it. You go wound who?
I'm not mean I'm just the talk.
In fact, Ishmael, come they go. It's already late. Come they go.
Just like that. I'm not saying we go, but no hug.
Hug? After rebranding. Come out from my house, so.
Even kissing.
What you kissing? Here. Chacha buku onwe gidi e. Ogeni Ishmael.
Hey. Chacha, you mean am? Agwa tabu madam. Chacha. say you get touch.
Obonne, what to Remobi? What to Kenobi? This issue has already been settled. I thought you should have forgotten it by now. Bon Kechi.
Mama, forget what? Forget that Ishmael tried to beat me up in my own husband's house? Forget what, Mama?
Nkechi, just say it the way it happened. I thought it was a minor misunderstanding.
Minor misunderstanding, Mama. When all the whole thing happened right in your presence, everything happened before you.
Mama, I have told you to stop worrying yourself. You understand me? This is why I came back, and it must be trashed out. Ishmael, sit down here. We are waiting for you. I say sit down, my friend.
Good. Can't you sit down, your friend? The place will come meet big anyway. This is not a church, I've been in a classroom. My police said, I'm tired, I want to go and sleep.
Adanya, are you watching him? Yeah. I hope you are watching him. Okay.
Can't you be watching him? I said I'm tired and I want to go and sleep. Is that a problem?
Yes, it is a problem. It is a problem, Ishmael, because you are not going inside this house unless you listen to my husband. Just sit down and listen to him.
I'm not the charge for.
Yes.
Huh?
You!
If I slap you,
if
I slap you,
okay, I will teach you a lesson.
Don't ever try!
It's okay. It's okay now.
What is all this? Mama, hey! Mama,
take it easy, Alpha. Don't you know this thing is paining you?
I'm sorry. Ishmael.
But, Ogatun. What is it? My friend, there's the wind. Tell me when you are done. Let me get out of here. Huh?
Won't you shut your mouth and mind your business? Shut up and mind your business. Huh?
Sorry.
But see that, this will be the very last time.
Then Kechi, it's okay, it's enough. Huh? The case is mine, allow me to handle it my own way.
I've just said my piece. You want to handle it on your own way. Okay now.
It's
handle
okay.
it. And handle your head,
please.
No problem.
You've committed an abomination for fighting your own uncle. Hey! Chineke.
Good morning. My uncle commits bigger abomination by fighting me, the nephew.
Shame on you.
What's
it? Big shame on you. My shame. You can't see a hotu. Marriage. No way. Child. Hey. Gabuzi. Who 8 years in Azu?
If you say you told us that the shame. And the shame for you. Huh? You know so that you get the bigger shame.
How?
Now me they take after you.
Yeah.
You marry. Mama, you marry. I will ask you. After me, who you born again? Who will follow me? Huh? Who will follow? No bring that matter. No just bring that matter. I know that they wait. No bring that. Who my papa? Anyway, leave that matter. That day they come, I go ask you.
You don't talk to me like that. I said, don't ever talk to me like that. I won't entertain any insult from you. Or
what?
You beat me as you beating your uncle.
I go down. See, if not die and they hungry you enter house, enter bedroom, take that same verse. If you take verse, lie down. 10 minutes when you take close your eye. If you not die, coming bastard.
Hey, uncle. Why do they talk like that now? I don't want you worry about big for nothing. For me to curse you, your mother. No. God forgive you.
Amen. I know what to talk to you now. I dey go big chief house. Then I go stay here, you go dey argue. She will carry my motor to give another person. I no go endure them. The money I take pimp that boss, take to sham up. I never feel make him. I just do. Hey, Donna, go put up for me now, back for beg.
Okay, uncle, but I wonder, you just dey busy, they pimp another man's boss.
Oh.
They plant flower for another man's house. Oh. Boss, you know fit buy. House, you know fit build. Uncle, that one no make sense now.
Come touch her! Come touch her! Look at it. Something like that.
Okay. Meet us. Go on.
Ishmael. 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 Okay. How many times have I called you?
How many times have I said you?
In fact, I am sick and tired of your nonsense. You can go home now. I have given that key to another driver.
Okay, that's what you do your own. As you pass judgment, you no go even say make you hear from me. You go not pass your judgment. Eh?
Now get out. Get out of my sight.
Wait. What about those things where I buy right for the motor? CD and the Nigerian flag. And all that is where I buy, where I take, make the motor. Fine.
When you come back in, come back in the evening and collect your things.
So I got nothing beg you.
Get out. I say you should get out.
Okay. What of the key when they with me?
Okay, it's okay. Thank you for reminding me. When you come back in the evening, bring the key and collect your things.
Okay, never reach like that. I beg.
Get out. I said you should get out. Get out of my sight. What's wrong with you? Armed nonsense.
How was your service?
It was good, great, and hectic.
With those girls, Abby?
No, I couldn't do something like that. I don't know it.
Hey! Chineke! Touch!
Ishmael, what is it?
What's going on here, sweetheart? Who's this man? Is he your brother?
Ishmael, what is it? What are you doing here? What?
Touch and give me sweetie. Eh?
Whoa. Can somebody tell me what's going on here? What's the meaning of this? Who is this man, sweetheart?
Some clown that has been disturbing my life for a long time.
More clown! Clown disturbing you!
Hey, young man, please! Don't do that! What's the meaning of this? You're embarrassing me! Shut up! Who are you? Listen, old man, you must know who I am. I'm a clubber for crying out loud. Now stop this at once!
You're a clubber?
I said I'm a clubber! I need copper!
So then they call you can't charge my babe? You come away in the south, call yourself charge my babe for my face, my own babe!
I am not your babe. I'm not your girlfriend. And for your information, you better start living here right now before I brand you a thief.
Get your hands off me!
In fact, Ishmael, come and start going. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't leave him. Not even. I'll go, but listen to the love I have for you. I because of the love I have for you. You hear me? Ain't no other way I come here and meet you. Thunder will fire you. If I not deal with you, come an idiot.
I know what do anything. Come, they go. Sorry.
Okay.
It's okay.
How could there be such inconsequential fool to handle me like this?
Okay, he's not feeling too fine. That's good.
Consequence. Look at this.
No, go now.
Consequence.
I've rebranded my love to him.
Okay.
I feel so bad.
He's the only one right now. Hey! Krishna! Hey! Come! Hey!
Look at this man.
Shit!
Hey! So when it's me that you are throwing out. Hey!
It is not you. It is not you that I'm throwing out. But if you want to live with your son, then so be it. I have enough of his trouble. I can no longer tolerate it. Come on!
Hey! You want to kill him?
God punish you then. God let me use your body to feed your useless body to feed the vultures.
Omona, do you want to kill him?
Yes, so I will kill him if he does not stay away from my father's compound. I will kill him. This is my grandfather's compound. You go and trace your own grandfather's compound. Not here. Not here. You are talking to me. Come back, I will kill you with this knife. I should come inside.
Yes, come in, let me see.
Drop the knife.
If you say you're strong, then come in.
Drop the knife. Drop what?
Shame on you! Mama. Shame on you! Go and trace your father's soul reaching. Why are you here disturbing us? Hey, Mama, Mama, please.
I'm tired of his trouble. Let him come and back to his father's house. I'm tired of his trouble. Mama, tell them to leave me alone. Tell them to leave me alone. I don't get too much trouble today. My God don't drive me. You don't come out the boss come from my hand. Chacha don't drive me. See now na copper. He go take. Now no one come drive me with my grandfather compound. Huh? Huh?
Shame on you! Go and trace your father's soul. Hey! Go! And you're here disturbing us.
I am tired of his trouble. Let him go back to his father's house. I'm tired of his trouble.
Papa, take it easy.
Biko, Mama, please.
You will go yourself, uncle. You know the same. Your sister go outside, go get belle. He carry belle come home. Una leave am. He grow the belle here. Una leave am. He born am. The pikin dey grow. As I do so, until I grow finish. Una only ask and say, who get this pikin?
Who have been calling me chicken on?
Mama, tell them to allow me rest. Ishmael, come and pack your properties and go to your father's house. Come over your properties, Ishmael.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me go and stroll and come back. If I get anything I go tell you, I will tell you and your witch wife. You are coming back when?
Shame on you! Go and shame! I said shame!
Mama, don't mind this man. Don't mind this man.
What is it? Give me. Shame on you! Useless man.
This man gets beat my papa.
Waiting they happen for we come today. Me I know like them. I go do my own. Make I rebrand them. Upon everything where they do. It get as it be. I try to depart him. It's still the legal. If you do good, balaba. If you do bad, wahala. Waiting we go do country to make it good oh. I don't know. If you give bribe, balaba. You know give bribe, wahala. Waiting we go do country to make it fine oh. I don't know. If you talk lie, balaba. If you talk true, wahala. Waiting we go do country to make it good oh. I don't know. If you know chop, balaba. If you green chop, wahala. Waiting we go do country to make it fine oh. I don't know. Waiting they happen for we come today. Me I know like them. I go do my own. Make I rebrand them. Upon everything where they do. It get as it be.
Nkechi. One small girl for yesterday where I know when they attack her. Drive me come from my papa my grandpapa's. No, this is the time when mama go tell me who my papa. By the time be this one. Too much. Now my mama go tell me who be my papa. If they talk to me, I don't forget power talk to them.
Me I know like them. I go do my own. Make I rebrand them. Upon everything where they do. You get as it be. I try to depart them. It's still the legal. If you do good, balaba. If you do bad, wahala. Waiting we go do country to make it good oh. I don't know. If you give bribe, balaba. You know give bribe, wahala. Waiting we go do country to make it fine oh. I don't know. If you talk lie, balaba. If you talk true, wahala. Waiting we go do country to make it good oh. I don't know. If you know chop, balaba. If you agree chop, wahala. Waiting we go do country to make it fine oh. I don't know.
What up? I got one man at the phone. I work.
No work.
No work.
No work, sir.
Yeah, I got no ladro.
Okay, sorry, sir.
Not now.
What's that?
I said I will tell you, but not now.
Why you don't want to tell me now? Mama? Why you don't want to tell me now? Now when I don't say make I come out from the house, I don't come out, I go leave. Eh? Tell me who my papa is. Who be my papa? Tell me. Oh. As soon as I do so, when I don't come out, I don't get papa, I don't get mama. The place where I go, where I come out from now, I can sleep anywhere. The thing where you want, just tell me who my papa. Tell me now, or what? Mama?
I said, or what? Answer me. Will you beat me?
Mama? What is it? What is it? Oh, Ishmael, you again?
Don't even try that.
Oh, get away with you. Huh? Now, okay. Tell your sister to show me my papa. I don't know rich. I don't keep this spirit rich. When I don't let me come from the house, I'm not get home now. I'm not get where to stay. Tell your son to show me my papa. I tell you. I tell you. Tell her to do my mama now. I tell you.
Is that why you're shouting? Look at this useless man. Get out and go and mind your business. What is it?
When I talk my family affair, you pull out. Is this not the place where you dey remote? Is this not your wife? Huh? You call me this madam? Don't try me, don't just try me at all. You don't call this place the place where they go and say where you go carry you. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. I have not decided I need to leave this house. Either you leave this house in peace or you leave it in pieces. 12 hours, 12 good hours. If your sister not come tell me my papa, hey, if you not burn this place down, call me bastard. You can go with your 12 hours. Even if you are sleeping on top of the bridge, under the bridge, or inside the river, I will talk to my sister. Whenever she gets information, we'll bring it to you. What does this mean?
Can you imagine?
It's okay. Don't worry.
Did you?
It's alright. It's okay.
He called me a prostitute.
It's okay.
No.
It's okay. It's okay.
After that fool has denied him from the womb.
But you can't deny him of knowing whom his father is forever. You just have to do that. In fact, I'm very, very happy that he's not making a step to know whom his father is. Yes.
Okay. Hey.